Team, what are the parang possible challenges that you're seeing and how you're going to overcome this?
Not challenges, but consideration, I guess, as mentioned by the chairperson in his statement. Binabalanse natin yung dating the things that we were concerned about, the ICI was concerned about, na hindi ito magagamit for political grandstanding, hindi we will prevent tribal publicity. At the same time, we want to respect the rights of individuals who will be invited as resource speakers or persons. At the same time, possible mentioning of names who are innocent. At the same time, as the chairperson also said, we hear the clamor for more transparency as far as the proceedings are concerned. But nevertheless, we have to tread this matter very carefully. We have to consider laws and even jurisprudence or decisions by the Supreme Court on this matter while we craft the rules of procedure.
Paano sir overcome yun? Yung mga ganong concerns like violation of due process or rights against self-incrimination probably?
Yes. I cannot answer that, but definitely that will be considered in the rules of procedure.
But definitely sir, the policy is now we are going to go public. No?
Well, the policy as mentioned by the chair, it's live streaming, subject to the rules of procedure, taking into consideration laws, rights, and possible use of the proceedings for any political agenda. And the same time, we want to prevent trial by publicity. So all of these will be considered while we craft our rules of procedure.
You have a deadline for the study?
As soon as possible, of course.
Next month?
Definitely before the next scheduled hearings, which were supposed to be around November
11?
11 or 12, something.
So we should be going live on November 11. I mean live stream.
Well, the target is to finish the
Rules.
first. So once we've done that, then we will be ready for any live streaming if in accordance with the rules.
Okay, thank you.